Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Ans Khalid, lecturer of computer science and information technology. Welcome to information security class. In our previous lecture, we discussed about threat, attacks, assets, security functional requirements, and fundamental security design principles. In today's lecture, we will discuss about cryptography, which is the important topic of information security. Cryptography is the science of securing information by converting readable data into a unreadable format so that unauthorized user cannot understand it. मीन्स के क्रिप्टोग्राफी में हमारे पास प्लेन टेक्स्ट जिसको हम रीडेबल डाटा कहते हैं उसको हम अनरीडेबल फॉर्मेट जिसको हम साइफर टेक्स्ट कहते हैं उसमें कन्वर्ट करते हैं। प्लेन टेक्स्ट हमारे पास होगा, हम उस प्लेन टेक्स्ट के ऊपर कोई एल्गोरिदम प्लस की अप्लाई करेंगे जिसके बाद वो साइफर टेक्स्ट में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा। फॉर एग्जांपल व्हेन यू सेंड अ मैसेज ऑन व्हाट्सएप और व्हेन यू आर डूइंग online banking and when you log into website using hypertext transfer protocol, all these systems use cryptography to keep your information safe. The basic process of cryptography is plain text to apply algorithm plus key to ciphertext. Cryptography provides four main security services. Some CIA कहते हैं confidential means only authorized user can read data. For example, if you send a private email, only the receiver should be able to read it. Even if someone intercepts the message, they cannot understand it without the key. Integrity means that the data is not altered or modified during transmission. For example, if you transfer a file from one computer to other, integrity ensures that the file remain exactly the same and no attack has modified it. Authentication verifies the identity of the sender or receiver. It answers the question, is the person send the message really who they claim to be? For example, when you log into your email using a password or OTP, the system authenticates your identity. Non-repetition means a sender cannot deny sending the message later. This is important in digital contracts and online transactions. For example, digital signature provide this feature. To understand cryptography better, we must know some basic terms like plain text. A plain text is the original readable message before encryption. For example, hello world is a plain text. A uh, ciphertext is the encrypted version of message which look meaningless to unauthorized user. For example, if we convert the hello to a cipher text, a key is a secret value during encryption and decryption. The security of cryptography depend greatly on the security key. कि क्रिप्टोग्राफी जो होती है वो सिक्योरिटी की के ऊपर डिपेंड कर रही होती है। Encryption is a process of converting plain text into a cipher text. This protects the message from unauthorized access. Decryption is a reverse process converting cipher back to into a plain text. Only user with the correct key can decrypt the message. Algorithm is a step-by-step mathematical procedure used to perform encryption or decryption. Cryptography mainly used two type of encryption system, symmetric encryption and asymmetric encryption. In symmetric encryption, the same key is used for both encryption and decryption. How it's work? Sender encrypt plain text using a secret key. The second step is the cipher text is sent to the receiver, and the last one is receiver decrypt the message using the same key. The algorithm used in symmetric encryption are AES, DES. The advantage of the symmetric encryption is it is very fast and efficient for large data. And the disadvantage of the symmetric encryption is secure key exchange is difficult, and if someone gets the key, they can read all messages. The types of the symmetric encryption models are block cipher and stream cipher. In block cipher, process data in fixed size block, and in stream cipher, encrypt one bit at a time. Asymmetric encryption use two different keys. Each user has public key and private key. Public key share openly and the private key kept secret. How it's work? The sender encrypt the message using the receiver public key. The receiver decrypt the message using their private key. This means only the receiver can read the message. For example, RSA, ECC are the algorithm that are used in asymmetric encryption model. Another important concept is hash function. A hash function is a one-way mathematical function that convert data into a fixed size output called a message digest. For example, uh, hello world, and the this is the output of the hello world. Hash functions are mainly used for password storage, data integrity verification, and digital signatures. And the key properties of the hash function are pre-image resistance, second pre-image resistance, and collision resistance. In pre-image resistance, difficult to find the original input from the hash. In second pre-image resistance, difficult to find another input with the same hash. In the collision resistance, difficult to find two input that produce the same hash. Cryptography is widely used in modern technology. Some common applications include secure communication such as SSL and TLS and VPN, digital signature for document verification, secure email system like PGP, disk encryption for protecting storage, authentication protocols, blockchain, and cryptocurrency security. Without cryptography, modern internet security would not exist. Attackers may try to break cryptographic system using different methods like brute force attack. The attack tries all possible keys until the correct one is found. Cryptanalysis this involves mathematical analysis of the algorithm to break the encryption and man in the middle attack. An attack intercept communication between two users and may modify messages Play tag, the tag reuse previous transmission data to impersonate a user. Now we discuss the first cryptography technique that convert the plain text to a cipher text which is called a substitution cipher method. आज हम पहला मेथड डिस्कस करेंगे क्रिप्टोग्राफी का जो प्लेन टेक्स्ट को साइफर टेक्स्ट में कन्वर्ट करेगा जिसे हम सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड या सब्स्टिट्यूशन साइफर मेथड कहते हैं। इसमें हम हर सिंबल को उसकी जो की जो दी होगी उसके साथ हम रिप्लेस कर देंगे। A substitution cipher replace each symbol in the plain text which with another symbol according to the fixed system। फिक्स हमारे पास की दी होगी उससे हम उसको कन्वर्ट कर देंगे। ये हमारे पास टेबल है जिसमें हम अल्फ़ाबेट से नंबर्स में मैप कर रहे हैं। फॉर एग्जांपल ए जो हमारे पास है वो 0 के इक्विवेलेंट है, बी 1 के, सी 2 के, डी 3 के, ई 4 के, एफ 5 के एंड सो ऑन। ये टेबल को हम करते हैं। जो हमारे पास वर्ड है वो हेलो है, HELLO। एच को हम एच का जो इक्विवेलेंट है जो नंबर्स में वो 7 है। यहाँ पे अगर आप देख भी सकते हैं कि जो एच का इक्विवेलेंट है वो यहाँ पर 7 है। ई का इक्विवेलेंट वो 4 है। एल का जो हमारे पास इक्विवेलेंट 11 और जो ओ है उसका इक्विवेलेंट यहाँ पर 14 है। तो यहाँ पे एच 7 ई 4 एल 11 और ओ 4 से यहाँ पे कन्वर्ट करती है। अब जो की हमारे पास है वो 3 5 या 7 हो सकती है। तो यहाँ पे हमने जो की ली है वो 3 है। तो 7 प्लस 3 करेंगे तो ये 10 हो जाएगा। उसके बाद 4 प्लस 3 करेंगे तो ये 7 हो जाएगा।